Hey, I'm Professor Vio's Eye, the Lavender Top 2. Who doesn't play about precision? Let's break it down. CBC for blood counts, ESR for inflammation, Retic for newborn reds, and Crossmatch to save lives. I do it all. Quick tip, I'm Lavender, that's pink. Don't get us twisted. I work in hematology and pink handles the blood bank. Big difference. Look, underfilling, messes, everything up. I need the full draw to get your results right, fill to the line, or risk a redraw. CBCs, mine, ESR, got it. Retics, of course, hematology runs smoother with me in rotation. That's just the beginning. Stick with Sage and the Squados. The steady hands. Society's just getting started.